Okay ladies, it is Friday and I am getting ready for the weekend, and I decided to go with a glueless 7x5 brown balayage wig. This one comes courtesy of UNICE and she is absolutely flawless. Today I'm going to be doing a very easy beginner friendly start to finish install. It's literally going to be like 10 minutes or less. The wig here is 100% glueless, so we're going to like melt the lace, but we're going to keep it 100% glueless. And as you guys can see, I did no baby hair, which is literally not like me. So this one came as a gorgeous 7x5 closure wig. She is pre-everything, so she came with the pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and then the pre-plucked hairline. And of course, she came with this gorgeous color. I love it so much. We're going to be doing the install as well as some like big barrel curls. Super simple and easy with a light layer. So if you want to see how we got this look, let's get started. Okay, ladies, happy Friday. It's Friday. I'm about to head out. You guys already know dance days are Fridays, so I'm about to take the girls. I want to put on a wig really quickly. I'm literally supposed to be out of the house right now. It's 3:50. I'm supposed to be leaving at 3:45, so we're gonna be about 5 minutes late. I have two wigs from UNICE. One came in today and one I think I've had a couple of days. The little curls. I think I'm gonna go with some color today, so let's go ahead and see if we can put her on in like 4 minutes. So this is the wig here. I'm gonna go ahead and put her on and we're gonna just wear her literally like, usually I do a 10-minute install. This is gonna be a 5-minute install. I'm gonna just put her on and head out the door, and then when I get back we will go ahead and melt her down. So these are the curls, nice and bouncy. You have that highlight blonde in there, and then this is a pre-everything wig, so pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, pre-plucked hairline. And then take that out and you guys can see that hairline has that beautiful scallop cut, which is going to act like camouflage. As I mentioned, this is a closure wig, so hopefully it'll fit glueless. And then they do have the little indentations here so that you can add your adjustable removable elastic band, which is inside the package. Inside you also do have this type of like nape. So I did go ahead and do some braids to my hair yesterday, but I didn't do them flat because I'm supposed to be washing it. Let's go ahead and put her on and we're going to listen to some music while I get her installed, and then we'll be back when I'm all glammed up with some makeup and we're gonna add some curls. I feel like I can get this even flatter, but just with those little heat passes, look at how like more smooth and neat this side looks compared to this side. Subtle, but like a huge difference. Okay, this is what the hairline looks like. Let's go ahead and tint the lace, and we're literally going to walk out the door. So I use the same powder that I typically don't use in the parting. I only use this one in the hairline, but I kind of wanted to see what it would look like to tone it down and have it subtle. I'm going to leave it like that, and if I don't like it, we'll switch it later. And then I'm just going to brush out the curls. I added a little bit of hairspray, which is something I don't ever do, but I just figured let's try it and see if it'll add a little bit of hold to the curls. And it did. So the curls don't need to be touched up as of now, and I'm gonna just use a little baby hair brush to kind of like add a little bit of oomph to the hairline so it can look a little bit more finished. You see how this one just looks a little bit more styled, and like flip it over like waterfall, flip it over like waterfall, and voila, hair is laid. If I had more time, I would go ahead and like just touch up the front, like the bang of this, or even add a little bit of layer. Not too much. I would do more, but because I know I'm rushing, I'll mess it up. Let me keep it cute. Okay, so I'm a little crusty. I'm gonna put a little chapstick on because I just got out of the shower. And put on a little bit of Angel Shares by Killian. That always makes me feel so good and get compliments no matter what. So, hair laid, lips moisturized, smell good, and we are out the door. So I will be back, and in the next clip you will see me with the full glam, and we are going to do something, maybe a style to the ends. But as you guys can see, just add a little hairspray before you start pulling the curls apart. And look, you don't even have to curl the ends. So that's absolutely beautiful. We're out of here in 10 minutes and 37 seconds. So, and it is 4:01. So less than 10 minutes to install, and we are out. Okay, we are back like we never left, and I am gonna say rest in peace to this here. This is Ruby Kisses Mineral Powder Foundation in the shade 14. You guys know I typically go back and forth between shade 14 and 16. 15 is in the middle, and I hit pan on this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and toss this one tonight, and I'm gonna just toss this one too, and make a commitment to remember to repurchase on Amazon Prime tonight, because if I keep the one that's cracked, it's gonna be everywhere because I'm messy when it comes to keeping up with stuff like that. So let's just lightly touch up the curls. I simply just want to more so focus on like the bangs and the ends. I don't think you need to really curl this one completely over. So let's see. I'm gonna let you guys listen to some music, and we are going to go ahead and play in the curls, see what we come up with, and then decide what else we're gonna do with this wig. Okay, I'm doing what I do best, which is watching some crime investigation shows. I'm gonna give the hair a quick spray, and I'm gonna let it air dry or cool down rather. Now I said I was only gonna touch up the front, but just once I start, I just couldn't stop. So I did some large curls all around. And again, the key is to add a little hairspray, let them cool, brush them out, and possibly add a little bit more hairspray. Now we did a lot of hairspray today because I did some a little bit earlier, but don't clock me. Don't clock me. While the hair cools down, I wanted to show you guys the packaging really quick. You guys know UNICE is amazing when it comes to package. This is the inside of the box, and it just says cannot be defined there in like a monochromatic writing. And then we did get some goodies, so I will share. Inside the actual like baggie that the wig was in were these two things. You have your adjustable, obviously, and removable elastic band, which you can add in to help your glueless wig to fit even more glueless. And then even they gave us some wig tape. So these are a bunch of strips, and each strip is like has the perforated line, so you can like break it into 4 pieces, and you can do one on each side. So each strip basically would be like for 2 installs each. And they gave us a bunch, so you'll be able to add those wherever you want to, and basically bind your wig down with those, which is really nicely. And then on top of that, they did give us this mesh bag, and we open it up, and inside we did get a pack of the HD wig caps. And you guys know UNICE has their own HD wig caps, so I can give you a link to the website and you can get them there, but they are actually UNICEhair wig caps, which is really nice. HD wig caps at that. And then they also gave us the melt belt, which you guys see me use this in the video. I used one that I already had, so I'll save this one for you guys to give away. And then also, last but certainly not least, they did give us some nice press-on nails, and these are like a really pretty, just a really nice pretty pink press-on. And on the tips they do have a little bit of like that pink shimmer, which is really nicely, and it matches very well with their packaging, so I love that for me. Now I'm gonna take the unbrush and just kind of remove or break up the curls, and look at how beautiful and literally perfect the curls are on this one. This one holds a curl like a dream, and we added a light layer in the front, not too much, but just something to help to frame the face like a bang. And that is pretty much it. The curls came out absolutely perfect. Another key is to just not touch them too much because they will drop and fall. But yeah, I love the way this one came out. You guys know I'm tempted to do a little bit of baby hair, but I'm gonna keep it nice and simple for you guys today. Of course, I have all of the details as well as a direct link down below on this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.